Okay, that was a good experience. Just left Redwing shoe store behind me. You can see it somewhere back there. One of those stores. I just dropped $176 on some professional work shoes with steel toes. They're called the Ashbys, which is their premier line. It is one of the top selling work shoes for OSHA standards, safety, steel toe shoes. They're guaranteed, she said, no matter what, the stitching and so forth, for 6 months. So if the stitching comes loose from the sole or the leather within 180 days, it's automatic repair or replace, depending on how bad the damage is. However, so that's your guarantee. However, that's very rare from what I understand. It just doesn't happen that often. So it's basically some really good shoes that I'm buying, and I don't have to really worry about those kinds of things. But they have that built-in 6-month guarantee, and then they also have a maintenance plan built in as well, where I can come into this store and they will condition the leather for me several times if I need it. It's not just a one-time thing. It's like I can come in as many times as I need within, I think, 6 months, and get the shoes treated for waterproofing, oil treated, to condition the leather, to protect the leather from damage from, oil, dirt, water, moisture. It's basically you're investing in protecting your investment. So that's part of, I guess, what you pay for when you spend the money on these shoes, which, again, these are very expensive shoes, but it's worth it. They're professional, and I'm glad I got it out of the way. It was something that I needed to do. It needed to happen. I've been kind of procrastinating on getting some new work shoes for a long time, because I have some leather work shoes, and they've served their purpose. They are done. They are now going to get tossed out in the trash. They have seen their last day with me, that's for sure. Maybe somebody who's homeless could use them, because I can't use them no more. They are not comfortable for me. They no longer perform their duties. So I'm glad I got these. I tried them on. They seem to fit pretty fine for me. They're brand new, as it is with any new shoes. They're stiff, whatever. But they are by design meant for comfort and protecting your feet from medium to light impacts, typical stuff in a warehouse environment, kicking something or, whatever, the typical stuff. They have a thick sole, cushion sole, and they are called the Ashby line, and I just dropped my bag. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at these shoes so you guys get an idea what they look like. I am an 11 wide, and so I got an 11 wide. Interesting fact, Redwing was established as a company in 1950 in Minnesota. Okay, and this is what they look like. There's the receipt.
This is line 10.
And that is the color. These are really nice shoes. Those are the thick soled. They're called Irish Setters. Whatever. The bottom line is I got me some new shoes. I kept saying Ashby's, but they're Irish Setters. That's what it says, Irish Setters. So I like the color, I like the fit, I like the feel, I like the form. They work for me, and I really needed them because my feet do hurt. I had to work 6 days last week, 8 hours a day, start work at 5:45, get off work at 2:15. A lot of walking at my job, a lot of walking. Up and down ladders, up and down forklifts, walking back and forth across the warehouse floor. So I needed these, and there they are. So if you're interested, these are the Irish setters from by Redwing, and you saw the picture, you saw how they look. 11 wide. They are work shoes. Oh, so they do say Ashby. Irish setter, Ashby, whatever, man. I don't know. They're just work shoes. And there you go. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody who's trying to make a decision on work shoes. Is it worth the $176 that I just dropped? For me, it is, yes, because I value my health, my foot health. I value the health of my feet, the health of my back, the health of my body, the health of my mind, the health of my soul. I value my health. Think healthy, act healthy, be healthy. The minute you start thinking healthy about yourself, you start doing healthy things like dropping $176 on shoes to take care of yourself, joining a gym for $1 so you can go work out. And I'm very glad that they're going to go to 24 hours at my gym now, because you never know when you want to get that workout in to deal with stress. So on that note, we're going to do some serious strength training videos from here on forward, so I can start showing you guys and demonstrating to you guys some techniques that I learned in college and in the Marine Corps for strength training, since that was my major. Kinesiology in the form of body conditioning and strength training were my two focuses. Body conditioning and strength training. Muscular endurance also, because I was on the water polo team. That had a lot to do with muscular endurance as well as cardiovascular, but it was muscular endurance because of the fact that you're constantly using your muscles to swim and support your body. That all being stated, thanks for watching once again. This is Staff Sergeant Calhoun from Whittier, over here off of Sorenson and Marketplace by the Ralph's, McDonald's, Whittier, Red Wings, and all that other stuff that's over here. There's the Denny's. Anybody familiar with this area, holler back, comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. If it helped you, let me know. If you have any questions about these Red Wing Irish setter shoes, they're $159 with the steel toe plus tax. Without the steel toe, they are $159, so $10 cheaper. So I figured $10, might as well get the steel toe. Besides, it's a requirement where I work. And with tax, it came to $176 out the door. And there you have it. Not much else to say about it, except I'll give you an update on it. Like if you guys want to know how they work out, if I'm digging them, which I'm pretty sure I'll dig them more than my other shoes, because my other shoes are kind of brutal on my feet as of late. So I'll give you a progress report. But again, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a good report to give you. So again, one last time, thanks for watching. Today's Saturday, so happy Easter if I don't chime in tomorrow, because tomorrow I will be busy with church and fellowship and food and fun, Easter egg hunts, and some good service to hear the Lord's message. Shout out to Lighthouse Church of Whittier, Pastor David, and his beautiful wife, Jeanette. So we'll be seeing them tomorrow, the family of God. And that's it. Be good to yourself, be good to others. Staff Sergeant Calhoun from Whittier. Peace.